Hi, I'm Chris Surratt. I play guitar for Spoken Nerd. We are currently working on a new record with sort of a concept. It's a choose-your-own-adventure album. Every 2 weeks we post 2 songs and let you, the listener, decide. This week, it just so happens that the 2 songs that are posted are songs I composed and performed on the demo. Now, Nathan Conrad will be handling the vocals on the record, but I thought, why not do some shameless self-promotion, maybe cross-promote my other projects? So I'm going to do a quick performance of both of the songs that are posted online, stripped down without all the extra accoutrements that I added to the demo. So this is New Strategy and Lawnmower Man, back-to-back and possibly somewhat abridged. Hope you enjoy. Check us out on SoundCloud, Spoken Nerd, and Facebook.com/Spoken Nerd. And please vote and look forward to the record whenever it releases.
The mixtape gave me some sort of game, helped me get through high school when the girls forgot my name. I'd say I'm the guy who turns you on to Ben Folds 5. My dad loaned me the Taurus, could I take you for a drive? Here I stand now in my indecision, 500 records and no television, best pickup lines, dead technology. I guess that I might need a new strategy. Tupelo honey, burned to my Van Morrison. She laughed and said she meant loose leaf tea. Here I stand now in my indecision, 500 records and no television, best pickup lines, dead technology. I guess that I might need a new strategy. Records and no television, best pickup lines, that technology. Guess that I might need a new strategy. Bum 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 bum.
Guitar's gone out of tune, but we're going to keep going.
Must have been 8 years old, saw my first horror movie, Pumpkinhead a candy man. Thought Freddy's sweater was groovy, till I met a guy in belts. He put the bagash into Oshkosh. He was just a simple 10, till he got his circuits crossed. Lawnmower Man is coming, he's an old technology. Dare you to say his name 3 times, he'll have you praying to McAfee. far from reality replacements. Now I'm lost in waking dreams in my firewall basement. Lawnmower man is coming. He's an old technology. Dare you to say his name 3 times. He'll have you praying to McAfee.
That's pretty much it. Consequently, the guy that created McAfee virus scanner is apparently in jail or a fugitive from the law for some sort of strange film noir-worthy crime story. You should Google that. But first, go to facebook.com/spokennerd. Go to SoundCloud, look for Spoken Nerd. Just whatever you do, please give us a listen, and hopefully you dig the tunes and vote for your favorite, and it'll make the record. May your favorite win.